Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we will cook delicious chocolate mousse dessert. It looks fancy, but you just need 4 ingredients, so let's get started. Prepare 100 grams of white chocolate chips and 100 grams of dark chocolate chips. Heat 180 milliliters of whipping cream and pour over the chocolate. Let stand for about 5 minutes and then give it a good stir. Once the chocolate is completely melted and smooth, set aside and let cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Crush about 4 graham crackers, so we get 50 grams of crumbs. Now let's whisk 320 milliliters of cold whipping cream until soft peaks form. Divide the whipped cream evenly between 2 bowls. Add the cooled chocolate in portions and whisk until all the chocolate is mixed properly. And repeat the same procedure with dark chocolate. Spoon a heaping tablespoon of cracker crumbs into the bottom of the glass. Spoon 1/3 of dark chocolate mousse on top. Spoon another heaping tablespoon of cracker crumbs on top, and then 1/3 cup of white chocolate mousse. Now let's refrigerate our desserts for 2-3 hours to chill. Before serving, you can decorate with some fruits or toppings of your choice. And this is it. Our easy chocolate mousse dessert is ready. Bon appetit!